Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video, bro. Yes, I am literally making this minutes after I just made this video on this launcher. Oh god. But yeah, trying to set my camera back up again. Yay. Oh my god. Anyways. So now we're going to be doing a new Beyblade. And I'll give you a clue. It has, no, I don't even know how to define it, so we're just gonna say it. Ogre. Dun dun dun. Yo, this bay looks sick. I wish the tip was matching color though. That's like not a good color for a tip. You know what? I need more light. Hold up. I need more light. Alright. I don't know where I should put this light. So I want to put somewhere where it'll still like here's perfect. I just need something to hold it here. Oh yeah, I have an idea. I think this might work. Nope, not at all. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, like I said, we're going to be unboxing Ogre. Finally, some light. Anyways, this is Ogre. Let's get to the unboxing. Oh, and if you're curious, the stats are this. The 9 attack, 3 burst, 0 defense, 3 weight, 6 agility, and 1 stamina. So this is basically your full-on, I mean, I know it already says attack, but this is your full-on attack. And the slingshot has 2 power and 4 speed. Anyways, I hate having to rip them. I hate having to rip packaging. Oh, this Ogre layer looks so cool. And it comes with a 1. I think this is called Zephyr. I don't know. Is this tip called Zephyr, guys? I think, no, it's not called Zephyr. I'm thinking of another tip. If it is, tell me in the comments, but seriously. Alright, do the instructions say anything I need? No, not all. So, the slingshot comes out like that and makes a bigger hole. Hold up. I'm gonna go to another angle where I can actually like get a launcher and like actually battle, but yeah, so I'm gonna put it all together and we're just gonna see what happens. Yeah. So it's just that way. Alright. And if you're curious, it's a right spin. Ooh, dang. That's looking like a revived Phoenix. That kind of looks like revived Phoenix. I don't have it, I'm just saying. Dang. Like if you gave revived Phoenix an attack tip, it kind of looks like it with no burst armor. Alright. Alright, now let's put it in Slingshot. This is for sure going to be riding the rails. Yo, do you hear this? Yo, Beyblades are going to die. Yo, this is the end of, like... But don't tell me, guys, that that doesn't look like Revive Phoenix. Alright. Satoon. Doing its normal thing. While this thing, guys, riding rails to attack Satoon. Dang. Alright, Satoon won that round. Dang, Satoon burst halfway. This didn't even burst at all. Alright, we're going to put it in Slingshot and see what happens. Alright. I thought it was about to ride the rails for a second. Alright. Good. All I'm gonna say is that ain't gonna count because that like didn't launch correctly. I'm gonna read the instructions now just to see if I'm missing anything. I'm probably not. It's probably gonna be like every Beyblade hack. Yep, tell me the rules. Twist it. Nope, nothing important. Comment down below, what do you think's better, Team Switch Strike or Team Slingshot? Ooh. Ogre's being embarrassed. Ogre's like, why you gotta beat me, Satoon? And Satoon's like, haha, you see, Switch Strike's better. And then Ogre's like, oh, so you make him feel slingshots. And then he goes around the rail. And then he goes around the rail twice. He doesn't hit Satoon. That's how you're gonna avenge your slingshots. And then it's gonna repeatedly hit Satoon. Dang. I actually feel bad for Ogre. Alright, new Beyblade. Oh shoot. Wrong battle. You're not the star of the You're not gonna be the star of the show. Ogre's the star of the show today. Not you two. Alright, against Slingshot. Dang. Ogre against another Slingshot is relentless. Did y'all see that? Alright, that's like like the best sling. I want to put it up against the tomb. Hold up. I didn't touch anything. I want to put it up against the tomb again. Look at that. To half burst that. All right, Satum, you're. If that same thing happens to Satum, Satum is done. Like. I'm gonna say that didn't count because that was more one of those hit. It was one of more of those hit bounce into a pocket things and like actual like Satum knock it in the back. Oh. The heck? Bruh, 6 of the parts just flew out of the stadium. What the heck? What? Hold up, guys. That's like insane. Guess I should start picking them up now. Dang. For it to fly that far, that's like a little half insane. Like this thing went feet away. Feet away. Like, ain't that a little too insane? Well, yeah, I guess I'm gonna start picking them up now, guys. Yeah. That was just insane. I want to show you guys, but I'm not taking that little risk of exposing Beyblades. Cause you know. Is it crazy how only the disc stayed in? Like for both Beyblades, only the disc stayed. Like you would think. Performance tip flies out, disc flies out, and then for another energy layer and disc or any type of nope, just energy layer performance tip, disc just stay weighted to the ground. Well, that was insane, guys. That was almost like, oh, so you want to beat me, Satum? You want to beat me? Ding! And they both burst. I hate when things get launched into a pocket in the Slingshot Stadium. Because in the Slingshot Stadium, it's loud and it's just, when a Beyblade gets knocked into a pocket, it's just annoying. Especially in the Slingshot Stadium. Because that's like loud. It's doing that same thing. Ooh, it got a hit on it once. Oh, this might actually turn out. Oh, nope. Once it hit the corner, it was like, alright. Dang. It's doing good, though. So two of my friend over here is half bursted. I'm going to put it back in Slingshot. Oh, God. That wouldn't have been good. Dang. Oh, the thing is moving like lightning. It lost, but that thing just moved around the stadium at a colossal speed. Like, what the heck? It's just like, boom, bam, 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 bam. I think you have to assume no Beyblade's going to win in Slingshot mode. I mean, it's been on my channel. Oh, That was a good battle. That would have been excellent. That would have been like 10. Why is it all the battles that are going to be excellent get ruined? Or it's like all the battles that are going to be excellent are like wrong timing. Finally, right timing. Good battle. Hasbro revised Phoenix, aka Ogre. Finally, they tied. Took so long. Well, they tied before, but you guys get it. Woo! Okay, let's be honest. We were all waiting for that. Like the time it got so many hits, it was up against the best Slingshot Beyblade. Like, and then finally it got good hits against the team. All right, we're gonna put it up against Kerbeus again. Dang! That thing is just like... Alright, getting good hits. Yo, I just knocked Kerbeus to the rails. Twice. Oh. Alright. Kerbeus didn't want that. Alright. But I'm actually impressed with Ogre because Kerbeus is one of the longest lasting and one of the best Slingshocks. So I'm actually okay with it moving to Kerbeus. Anyways, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button and subscribe. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye.